Here's a quick demonstration how to take a point that is on a line and a slope. We are going to put it into point slope form. From there, we are going to convert it into slope-intercept form, and then from there put it back into standard form. So kind of the reverse way that we might need to do to graph a given equation. So we know that our general form of point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. M is our slope, that's always our slope. x1, y1 is always the point that's given. So we know that we have one point on that line. So now we just plug our numbers in. So our y value is 3, our y1. So we say y minus 3 equals m, our slope, and then we have x and then minus x1. So we already have a negative 2, so we're minus a negative, which turns into a positive. So that's plus 2. Right here is point slope form. We can take this, if we look at this, we could graph it. It's sometimes not as easy to think about it, that we start at negative 2, 3, and we have a slope of 9, up 9 over 1, up 9 over 1. What we're more used to doing is converting it and seeing it in slope-intercept form. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this equation, I'm just going to label this point slope form. Okay. Now we're going to take this and convert it to slope-intercept. So we are going to do whatever we have to do to get y equals mx plus b. Okay, that's our goal. So let's distribute this 9 into here. So this y minus 3 stays the same. We get 9x, and then 9 times 2 is 18. Now we're going to isolate our y, so that means we have to bring everything that's not a y over to this side. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. So we get y equals 9x plus 21. So now here we are in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept. So now we can take this and graph it too. So this is our y-intercept. We're going to go up the y-axis to 21, and then we have a slope of 9. Up 9 over 1, up 9 over 1. Now to get it to standard form, we have ax plus by equals c. Okay? Ax plus by equals c. And that means we need to get the x's and y's on one side and the lone number on the right, if there is one. And then we try not to have any fractions there. That makes it just look pretty. Okay? So in this case, the y is already over here and the x is here, so I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides. So I have negative 9x plus y equals 21. Now I can also make it look prettier. Sometimes we just don't like the negative sign. We can multiply the whole thing through by negative 1. I mean, this is okay. We multiply the whole thing through times negative 1. We get 9x minus y equals negative 21. So those are the same equations. So there's how to go from a given point and slope to point slope form, slope-intercept form, to standard form. Now you can take that and work on that worksheet full of examples.